Hello and welcome to your tutorial on how to set up templates in Outlook. So I want to start by asking you to just open up your Outlook and then click New Email. And so once you've opened up your email, you're going to find this button to the right that is My Templates or View Templates, and you can click on that. Once you click on that button, a new template bar is going to pop up along the side here. Let's take a look at this bar. So you're going to find at the very bottom of the bar, there's a template link button to add a new template here at the bottom. Click on this link. Now once you click on the link, the My Templates box is going to pop up where you can now add in the name of your template and also the body of the email that you want to create. After this, you want to click Save. Once you've clicked Save, your new template will exist in this bar here on the side. Now you've saved a brand new template. You want to use this template as well, so you should definitely click on the template itself. As you can see, it's highlighted here in blue. And now the same template that you see to the right of your screen is actually here in the body of your email. Nice. Now you have created a template and put it to use. And that's the end of your tutorial.